Hi, welcome to WhatsApp tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make your text bolding, how to make your text italicized, and how to strike through your text. So without much ado, let's get started. So in order to make your text bold, in order to make your text italicized, and in order to make your text strike through, you have to follow this prompt. Please make sure you like and comment and subscribe to this channel. You can also share this video to your friends and family. So for you to bold your text, you need to type the letter star. Actually, it is called asterisk, and it is called star. So for an example, I want to make this text bold. So what I need to do is I click on this star. Remember, I click on this 1 2 3, and then I click on star, and then I want to type how are you. Let's say I want to type how are you, and then I click on star again. You see it is bold, that's been bold. So you click on send, and then once you send, you will not see the star there again. Let me repeat: star, hi, how is everything. So I finish it with star. You see it has been burdened. So in order to italicize your text, you have to use what is called underscore. So you can get underscore here. You click on this 1 2 3, and then this is an underscore. Let me click. You see this is an underscore, not a minus sign. Underscore is different from minus. So I want to italicize this text. I click on underscore, and then I click open. You are fine. And then I click on underscore again. Could you see it has been italicized? And then you click on send. So this is how to italicize using on WhatsApp. Now the last one is how to strike through. Strike through is actually used, maybe you want to cancel a text, and then you just want to cancel a text. They use it in sentence a lot. So in order to do that, you need to use a character that is called tilde, tilde. Let me show you. I click on this 1 2 3 4, and then I click on this one. Depending on the type of keyboard you are using on your phone, definitely you find tilde. This is a tilde. This is a tilde. So let me type I will not die. So I come back again, and then I click on tilde. Can you see it has been struck through? And that is how to do it. And also you can combine this text, you can combine it together. Just say you want to combine bold, italicize, and then strike through. So let's start. Let me say hi, how is everything. Okay, let me hi, how is everything. I put on this star, and then I put on the underscore 2, and then if I want to finish here, I need to put in underscore the C, and then if I want to put star, you see a text has been bolding, and then it has been underscore. You can also try the one for strike through. Try the two together, make use of it in WhatsApp, and your text experience will be very great. Please visit Let's Learn Computer Together on YouTube. Watch our videos. If you want to know how to make use of your system, your smartphone, to do some simple basic thing, please make sure you subscribe. I will see you in the next video.